It may be very cold outside, the markets may have been cold as well, but it is after 4 p.m. on a Monday and it's officially happy hour here in New York City. U.S. stocks were near the flat line Monday afternoon, with the U.S. markets backing off recent milestones, including the Nasdaq composite rising above 4,000 for the first time in 13 years. This as Wall Street pondered an unexpected drop in pending home sales figures in October, as well as an agreement by Iran to limit its nuclear program. The Dow Jones Industrial Average today retaining a slight advance, with Caterpillar leading gains. After climbing to an intraday high of 1,808.11, the S&P 500 went into negative territory. And after climbing above 4,000 for the first time since September 2000, the Nasdaq has held on to a small gain but managed to fall back below that 4,000 level. Let's now take a brief look to see how the markets closed to start off this week. In other news, we begin with economic data. The National Association of Realtors reported signed contracts to buy existing homes declined for a fifth straight month in October, with closed sales in November and December down 0.6% from an upwardly revised September reading. In corporate news today, we had Alcoa jumping after Goldman Sachs upgraded shares of the aluminum producer to buy from neutral. Boeing continued to weigh on the markets as its shares fell after the airline manufacturing company warned of engine icing risk on its new 747-8 and 787 Dreamliner planes. Shares of Walmart today rising after the retail company said Doug McMillon, who runs its international business, would succeed Mike Duke as president and CEO effective February 1st. And lastly, in a quick recap, the interim agreement between Iran and the United States and 5 other nations would have Iran curtailing its nuclear activities in return for reduced international sanctions on automobile parts and commodities, that of which includes oil and gold. So kick back, you now know exactly what happened during today's trading session. It's an abbreviated week, so grab yourself a drink, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. From ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Sweeney, and it's cold.